Hi guys, and welcome back to the next fitness flow. We are focusing on your abs, on your core today, the front, the side and the back. All you're going to need is a mat and a safe space to work out in. If you've got dumbbells, then feel free to incorporate those as well. Please remember, speak to your GP before you take part in any physical activity. Start at the easiest version and then build up to the harder level. Ready? Let's go. I always begin a core workout by activating the abs. So take a nice deep breath in, fill up your lungs, and then empty all the air from your lungs until your tummy is tight. Maintain that tightness, and then we start with a side bend. One each side, hands to the front, and then twist. Try to keep the hips forward as much as you can. And then we take one knee to the opposite elbow, ready for the jump or the alternative. We then transition into a plank. Step back or jump back. Hold it for a few seconds. Make sure your hips are level with your shoulders. And then we twist the knee to the opposite elbow. We then jump or step into a seated position, rolling back halfway. Making sure your stomach is the only thing that feels tight and no pain in your back. We then touch the right hand to the left knee, left hand to the right knee. Tap the floor 3 times and roll back slowly. Straight away we lift the knees above the hips, feet off, and we hold that for a few seconds. We then go into a right leg extension and then the left. And then what I call a half a star, so legs out, back to that tabletop position, and then both legs down for an extension. Hug the knees to the chest. We're going to roll up into a stand. Ready? Up we get and stand up. Okay, brilliant. Round 2. So reset your abs, breathing deep into that side bend. We take the hands in front, rotate. If you've got weights, you can have them at this point. Twisting opposite to opposite, jump or knees up. And then we move over into the plank. Remember, you can step back or jump back. Take it into a mountain climber, opposite knee to opposite elbow. And then we jump in, ready to sit. Hold that position just for a couple of seconds as we reach the right hand to the left foot, the left hand to the right foot. Tap the floor, 3, 2, 1. Slowly roll back. Straight in, knees up above the hips, right leg extends, and then the left. Go into that half star, legs out. Making sure your lower back is squeezed in, we extend both legs forward and hug the knees in. Good, try and do all of these slowly, so we roll up into a stand. Ready for round 3. So abs nice and tight, shoulders relaxed. Add those weights at this point. Side bends. I'm going to have my hands in a fist to show you how to hold your weights. Make sure you're breathing deeply throughout all of these exercises and take your time. As you hold the plank, belly button into spine and maintain it there. So you might still have your weights in your hand at this point. Hold them strong, you'll feel the difference. Okay, reach forward and then tap the weights. 3, 2, 1, roll back. So the slight difference here you can do with or without weights is to extend the arms at the same time. Same arms, same leg, keeping your lower back flat on the floor. This is much harder now, so really breathe deeper and bring it in. Relax the weights down to the floor, safely away from you, ready to roll. 3, 2, 1, up you get. Strong finish, done. Do you feel that burn? Right at the top of your stomach, it means you've done it right. Ready guys, let's go for the cool down, a nice gentle rotation. Making sure that the back is comfortable and not hurting. We take it down, rotate and look up at the hand, swapping sides. We take that position, both hands down, bring your chin in and then walk your hands towards your feet. So you want to have your chest close to your knees. Soften the knees and then roll up nice and slow until you're standing. Great work, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me. See you in the next one.